Alright, this is a quick YouTube video showing a few of the features of KLO version 0.55 alpha. This is just a minor release. It not only has Kirby diagrams, but knots. If you create a new diagram, you'll get the choice. Most of the features revolve around the knots, just to add a bit more functionality. Here's a figure 8 knot. You draw the knots as usual. Let me change this crossing and that crossing. I should be happy. The only thing you can do with a knot in edit mode other than change crossings is to select the knot to be an unoriented knot or an oriented knot. As usual, you can switch the orientation of a component by clicking on the arrow. Once you've got a knot, all of the usual Rightomeister and meta-Rightomeister moves are available, so this is really not much new from the Kirby diagrams. The new bit for knots are a couple of simple invariants. More will be added in the future based on what people would like to see. The first, the Seifert surface. It gives you the form type and the signature, as well as the Alexander invariance, meaning the abelian invariance of the Alexander module, the single variable one for links. Okay, and another new feature is on these invariants, the polynomial invariants, you'll see this click to copy pop up as it did. If you click, you'll get the option to copy the text, the code, or HTML. The text is just the text source. As you'd expect, if you want to paste one of these in. The code is the sort of code you'd put in for a program or Mathematica or Maple, you know, stars and pluses and minuses and carets. And the HTML, if you want it, is, you know, what you might properly use as a. You can just paste in the polynomial here in your comments. Other than those three, and then the fact that knots are now an option as a proper diagram type to use, the only real new feature is that you have one more option for exporting. You can export a diagram as a PDF. This will give you a high-resolution printable version of a diagram, vector graphics, not just pixels. And the options are pretty simple. The figure dimensions, width by height, these are just in inches right now. Centimeters may come later. You can also choose the stroke width you'd like for whatever your purpose is. 1 point's the default. That's 1/72 of an inch approximately. That's a medium width stroke. You can bring it high or low as you see fit. Also, there's an option for no color. No color will mean all the knot components come in black and bands and such come in gray. If you don't check no color, you get the diagram as you see it. Once you've selected that, you simply write the PDF. And it will be a standard PDF, should be importable into LaTeX, say, or any place else you might want. My only suggestion on that would be export it the size you want rather than resizing the image, because if you resize the image, of course, the stroke weights of the knots will grow as well. So if you have a bunch of diagrams wanting to look consistent, size them on the export, and don't stretch them afterwards, or you'll mess up the point width, the line width a little bit. That's pretty much it for this version. Again, it's a minor version, 0.55. Knots are in. More diagram types may come in the future, as well as more invariants. Again, please let me know. Diagram types for invariants, what would be useful. And version 0.6 should be coming along this summer sometime, and we'll see what comes up then.